Economy of India. Which of the following is the most appropriate method to measure the economic growth of a country? Gross domestic product. India. Question number 2. India is regarded as a country of demographic dividend. This is due to its high population in the age group of 15 to 64 years. Consider the following statement: about one third of the GDP in India is contributed to the agricultural sector. More than 60% of the country's GDP is contributed by the service sector. Which of the statement given above are correct? इन दोनों में से कुछ एक भी ठीक नहीं है, neither. Question number 4. Consider the following statement. Which of the statement given above are correct? इसमें है डिप्रिसिएशन ऑफ इकोनॉमी इज करेंटली अकाउंटेड इन द ग्रॉस डोमेस्टिक प्रोडक्ट, ये तो नहीं होगा. ग्रीन जीडीपी अकाउंटेड द एनवायरमेंटल डिग्रेडेशन ड्यू टू इकोनॉमिक प्रोग्रेशन ऑफ ए कंट्री, ये सटीक आंसर है. ए कंट्रीज नेचुरल कैपिटल इंक्लूड्स ऑल द फॉलोइंग एक्सेप्ट, तो फॉरेस्ट है, वाटर है, मिनरल्स है, रोड है. तो इनमें से किस में है? रोड में है. Consider the following statement. Which statement in the given above are correct? Question number इसमें है वन है मोर देन वन थर्ड ऑफ द वर्ल्ड पॉपुलेशन लाइव्स इन द लो इनकम इकोनॉमी कंट्रीज, ये तो बिल्कुल ठीक है. मोर देन 3 countries of the gross national income of the world is accounted for the high economy countries, ये भी ठीक है. तो इनमें क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 में है लिस्ट 1 एंड लिस्ट 2 में कौन सा ठीक हुआ? 1891 टू 1921, इसमें सटीक आंसर होगा 2. स्टैग्नेशन पॉपुलेशन ग्रोथ. 2 बी में है 1921 टू 1951, इसको कहते हैं स्टेडी पॉपुलेशन ग्रोथ. 1951 टू 1981 इसमें हुआ है रैपिड हाई पॉपुलेशन ग्रोथ. 1981 टू 2011 इसमें हुआ है हाई ग्रोथ विथ डिफाइनेट साइन ऑफ स्लोइंग डाउन एंड स्टेबलाइजेशन. व्हाट Question number 8. What percentage of the total population of the world resides in India as estimation in 2011? It's nearly about 17.5. Answer है B. Question number 9. Which of the following is used for the measurement of distribution of income? ये है आंसर सी, गिनी लॉरेंस कर्व. Question number 10 है which one of the following sector is the major contribution towards the gross domestic savings in India in recent time? Public sector, private sector, corporate sector, household sector है आंसर. Consider the following statement. Which of the following given are correct? ये है आंसर 1. Keynesian theory advocates a mixed economy with a large role of governmental and private sector. Which of the following question number 12. Which of the following economics firstly introduced the gross domestic product to measure the economic growth of a country? Simon Kuznets. During which decade? Question number 13. During which decade did the population record a negative growth? 1911 to 21. Consider the following which are the correct. Phillips curve is an inverse relationship between the rate of employment rate of unemployment and the rate of inflation in an economy. ये है बस Engel's law observed that as economy rises the proportion of income spent on food falls even if the actual expenditure on फूड राइसेस, ये भी ठीक है. दो. थैंक यू.